A small planet circles a red star just 4.24 light-years away through the black sky. This world, named Proxima B, is the closest known exoplanet with an Earth-like size. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a faint red dwarf glowing in the night space. One side of the planet always faces the star like a locked face, the other stays in frozen darkness. This causes tidal locking, a strange balance where one half is always in burning daylight. The other half hides in constant night, like an icy cave in deep winter. The split between heat and cold has created an extreme planetary climate. Modern telescopes like the James Webb have pointed their vision toward this eerie world. Infrared sensors saw light patterns glowing on the dark side of the rocky terrain. They weren't random. Clusters formed shapes like cities seen from orbital heights. Faint pulses of energy appear every 27.3 hours in sync with planetary rotation. It's like a hidden heartbeat buried beneath the silent, black landscape. 12 zones blink rhythmically, each like a small glowing town in the night field. These emissions could be natural or signs of alien technology lost beneath the frozen soil. Some scientists believe rare crystals may be causing this glow deep in the planet's crust. These crystals could give off heat through pyroelectric effects inside dense rocky layers. Beneath the crust, a molten core of iron churns from gravitational stress with the nearby star. This core may power geothermal networks, heating frozen ice above into warm, hidden lakes. On Earth, similar lakes exist under glaciers, supporting life near hydrothermal vents. These vents spew sulfur and heat where sunlight never touches deep-sea canyons. Strange creatures called extremophiles live there, thriving in total black oceans. If such life exists on Proxima B, it could live under miles of frozen ground. Gases like ammonia and hydrogen sulfide have been found near glowing zones. These gases suggest life, since they often appear in low-oxygen ecosystems near Earth's volcanoes. But something is different. The power levels go far beyond natural volcanic activity. It's like 10,000 nuclear plants lighting up an entire frozen continent. This output implies advanced infrastructure deep below the icy plains. The planet's thin atmosphere can't hold warmth, barely 0.1% the thickness of Earth's air. Yet, titanium dioxide particles lie in the dust, materials humans use for light control on Earth's buildings. This might be engineering. Maybe someone or something crafted these heat-holding materials. The particles could trap warmth in small pockets across the snowy hills. Underground facilities could be hiding there, homes sealed from the 200 degrees Celsius surface temperatures. Superconducting cables might carry power across the frozen terrain, connecting buried cities. Between light and shadow is the Terminator Zone, a line of twilight on the curved planet. Here, James Webb detected glaciers moving slowly over the crust, hinting at flowing water. If heated by isotopes like uranium-238, this water could support glowing life under the ice. In Antarctica, bloodfalls show how iron and bacteria create color in icy waters. Creatures there navigate by sonar or magnetic fields, never needing light. Proxima Centauri emits deadly flares. X-rays and UV radiation crash onto the rocky surface. Only life deep in rock or lava tubes could survive such hazards. A civilization may have moved into these tunnels, powered by fusion from comet-based deuterium. Some glowing patterns on the dark side look like fiber optic cables, perhaps moving information. These beams might be quantum signals, racing across landscapes without using sound. Such ideas could change how humans view physics and interstellar energy. A project named Breakthrough Starshot wants to send nanoprobes toward this glowing target. They'll ride on laser sails, reaching the system in just 20 years through empty space. These probes carry nanosensors to scan air, rock, and strange surface textures. They could send back images of alien architecture hidden in the icy dark. But danger awaits. Cosmic rays and dust could rip them apart in mid-flight. To survive, they'll use smart materials that repair like skin in the deep vacuum. If we find alien life, questions will explode about contact, data, and defense. The United Nations has created guidelines for how Earth should act after alien discovery. They want transparency, no secrets, all data shared back among Earth's nations. Some ask about souls. Would aliens fit into ancient myths and religious stories? Others dream of technology. Could alien energy grids end human scarcity? Plumes of methane rise like smoke from Proxima B's dark side, spinning in the wind. On Earth, methane comes from cows and fuel, but this gas lacks organic markers. Maybe bacteria in deep aquifers are digesting rock and releasing gas over time. Or maybe factories burn carbon, releasing waste from underground industry. Even if it's natural, Proxima B pushes us to redefine what makes a world habitable. We always searched for the Goldilocks zone, but life may thrive in extreme cold and heat. What if intelligence evolved using chemosynthesis instead of photosynthesis beneath the surface? It may read magnetic waves or feel sound like whales in echoing caves. These beings could have no eyes, no faces, just thought in silent liquid chambers. Would they dream? Would they wonder about stars or remain bound to their caves? Such alien minds may live below crust and ice, hidden in silent oceans. If they exist, we must ask if we're visitors or intruders under another sky. Would contact bring peace, or would it start fear across Earth's bright nations? Philosophers ask if alien life fits into our spiritual frameworks and creation tales. One signal from a dark world could reshape what belief means to human souls. Old myths may gain new meaning if read alongside stories from the stars. And biology itself would shift if life exists without light, inside pure darkness. Instead of leaves and sun, they'd grow on chemicals, maybe with silicon-based structures. These lifeforms could have acid blood, mineral bones, and no need for air. They might drift in underwater caves, building machines from pressure and heat without flame. Would such beings ever look up? Or did they never invent vision in eternal blackness? JWST continues to scan, finding repeating patterns in the planet's heat emissions. Each pulse matches the orbital spin, suggesting intention, not random weather. If it's real, their civilization may stay hidden, lighting only the planet's shadow. Beneath the crust, there could be enormous domes housing cities under crystal covers. Superconducting rock wires could carry power like blood in underground veins. Energy may rise in steam towers, powering greenhouses inside artificial caves. Sunlight becomes useless in these ecosystems powered by deep planetary heat. Their speech may use quantum signals, no sound or air needed in tight stone tunnels. JUICE readings suggest a language, data coded in repeating thermal emissions. These beams don't scatter, they retain shape, like lines in Earth's data networks. Maybe it's not for us, but intercity messages between buried habitats. Breakthrough probes may decode these pulses, learning in seconds what took centuries of watching. Even one image could answer ancient questions, changing how we see intelligence. But to get there, the probes must survive dust, radiation, and mechanical failure. They need smart materials that can heal metal wounds like living tissue. Cameras will have only moments to record what lies beyond Earth's moon. One frame could reveal a power line, a dome, or a moving figure in the snow. Governments now write laws for alien contact long before it happens. UNSA insists the world must share all data from these deep encounters. Ethicists ask if we should avoid contact to protect alien privacy. Economists imagine free energy, copied from civilizations beyond solar grids. Even without meeting them, we might build Earth cities warmed from beneath like Proxima's caverns. Methane rises seasonally in ghostly plumes, marking cycles on the blackened terrain. Spectral scans find no Earth-like chemical signs, no cows, no oil, no decay in the gas. It may come from rock-digesting bacteria or from machines venting fuel in measured intervals. Each gas burst lines up with energy pulses, a mechanical or biological clock ticking in the shadows. At the poles, auroras swirl like green curtains across the high thin air. Charged particles slam into gas, causing color to ripple through the night sky. 3D printers could build using dust, forming bricks for cities under icy covers. Aerogels, nearly weightless, could insulate these towns against fire and cold. Even if nature built it, these rhythms show order, shape, and timing unexpected from random landscapes. With every scan, we learn new rules for life, new shapes for minds. And still we stare, eyes fixed on a planet half in flame, half in ice. We may never walk there, but the signals whisper, each glow a piece of deep truth. If we find life, we'll understand existence beyond Earth's green fields. And if we don't, we'll still learn what possibility truly means in cosmic night. Proxima B stands like a mirror, showing us more about ourselves than about any alien. The journey matters, the questions matter, and so does the waiting. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.